JNTIA Student Union's Labang Nangpillut Circle yesterday held a traditional dance program for all villagers under Block 1. The function was organized with an objective to revive the traditional value and cultural heritage of Khasi JNTIA of Ilaka Labang Nangpillut and to add a purpose to all who had participated in one platform. Addressing the program as the chief guest, the General Secretary of JSU's central body, Thei Borlang R. Suchen, urged the villagers to uphold the traditional integrity and teaching of the ancestors.
Kami kwa kunai pi wagariti ke dustur yang kejai bruhnya trap ke yongi kejai bruhnya trap nyawa sa khantam ya gari jantia hi wa gobi to da penek pensa da ke nong gendong wa kita kiwi tuan kiniam ne kita kiniam tre wa kiwi tuan kiniam yo kiniam kristan.
Woodland Hospital